I'm Tara, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook, where you can eat better, spend less, save more on your grocery bill today. Go to livingonadime.com, click on the store. You can find it there. You will save the price of the book and more. The first trip to the grocery store, I had one lady say she saved 10 times the price of the book her first trip to the grocery store. So you can save money on your grocery bill. Today I'm showing you one way I save money on my grocery bill. I got all these strawberries for $1 a pound. So why did I get so many? I am going to cut these up and freeze them, and then we are going to use them in the recipes. I'll show you how I freeze them, and then I'll tell you what recipes we use them in. Okay, so I just grab baggies, and here's how I do it. So my family's already dug into these. So what I do is I cut off the top, cut off any spots. If they're larger, I'll cut them in half and throw them in a bowl here and cut off any blemishes. And then I'll rinse it. Then I'm going to take these over and rinse them off. Now, I just tapped all the water out of them. You can dry them off with paper towels if you want, or a dishcloth, or not a dishcloth, what do you call it, a dish towel. You can dry it off with a dish towel if you want, but here's the thing. Some people will freeze these on cookie sheets flat and then put them in there. You can do that because it keeps the strawberries separated. But what I do is I just dump them all in here. And when I am done, they are frozen. I lay them all out, stack them all up, frozen like this. Then in the freezer, when I take them out, I'll just drop them on the counter. They will break apart and I'll just take off what I need. Okay, so all these are going in the freezer. These are going to have some sugar put on them for everybody to eat. This is all going out to the garden for composting. I just throw my compost straight into my garden. I don't compost it, I just throw it in my garden. These extras I put the tops on. Well, there's 3 in that one, but put the top on right there like that. And I put these in my great big pots outside for spacers so I don't have to use so much potting soil. All right, so by taking 40 minutes and cutting up 28 pounds of strawberries, I was able to save $56. It only took me 40 minutes to save $56. That is a little bit more than $60, $65 an hour. That is a little bit over $60 an hour that I earned by taking these strawberries and cutting them up and freezing them for my family. So people tell me all the time that they don't have enough time to save money, or they don't have enough time to save money on their grocery bill, but they have time to go to work at a $15 an hour job. So I would have to work, let me get my calculator here just to make sure I'm doing this right. So to save that $56, I'm doing a $15 an hour job. I would have to work 5 hours after taxes. That doesn't include daycare and everything. I would have to work 5 hours to pay for these strawberries already pre-processed, or 40 minutes of my time to do it at home. So that is how I make over $60 an hour. Let me show you the recipes that I use these for. Super yummy. Most of the recipes are in Dining on a Dime cookbook. Also, there will be a link in the description below. You can use them for strawberry jam. It is on page 242 in the 20th anniversary of Dining on a Dime cookbook. You can do strawberry leather on page 473. You can do it for strawberry pie on page 321. Smoothies on page 68 and 69. And you can use popsicles. Please check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook so you can earn over $60 an hour by staying home and processing your own foods. Please like, subscribe, and share, and give us a great big thumbs up. We will see you guys next time.